This is the Corsair iQ220T RGB Airflow, our new mid-tower ATX case where strong cooling meets smart lighting. The 220T was designed with high airflow in mind, but with its solid steel construction and perforated steel front panel, it offers a stylish look with the added benefit of durability. Included with the case are a lighting node core and 3 SP120 RGB Pro fans. Each SP RGB Pro fan has 8 individually addressable LEDs in the hub, and combined with our iQ software, you can get brilliant lighting effects right out of the box. To make this case even more eye-catching, we added an edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel to showcase all your awesome components and beautiful RGB lighting. The I/O panel has 2 USB 3.1 Type-A ports, a 3.5mm combination headphone microphone jack, and your power and reset buttons. 3 removable dust filters in the front, top, and bottom of the case will help keep your PC looking clean and tidy. Additionally, there's ample radiator mounts with up to a 120mm in the back, a 240 in the top, or up to a 360mm in the front. For storage, there are 2 low-profile 2.5-inch drive brackets, and there's a removable drive cage that houses up to 2 additional 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. With the 220T's built-in PSU cover, you can keep your power supply and cables out of sight, which makes it easy to build a clean-looking system without excess clutter. The 220T is a stylish mid-tower ATX case with optimal airflow that's perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
The most common question when it comes to PC building is always the same. Where do I start? Building your own computer for the first time can often be an intimidating task, so we've gone through the trouble of making that experience a little less scary. Introducing the next level, the Level 20 MT. Complemented with a tempered glass front and side panel, the MT offers a gorgeous view of your internals and is highly durable if the worst should happen. Inside the case you'll find 3 ARGB case fans, adding much needed RGB goodness to your system, allowing your personality to fully shine through. And before you ask, the MT doesn't compromise on airflow. Air travels through the 2 cavities in the front of the case and is expelled out the back by the rear intake fan, ensuring the interior is kept cool and quiet. The MT supports radiators on both the top and front of the case, with the defining feature being that you can side mount your radiator to give your build that extra bit of flair. The case also comes with a handy power supply cover to give the interior an unclean finish and a perfect place to hide all those unwanted cables. When it comes to storage, we've added plenty of space to add your hard drives and SSDs. The MT also comes fully equipped with the latest I/O, including the RGB controller, allowing to switch between different color presets and lighting modes. So in the end, the Level 20 MT is the end result of nearly 20 years of Thermaltake's ingenuity and experimentation. It's the case that delivers on all fronts and provides that very first step into the world of PC building. So, are you ready for the next level?
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.